Hello, this is Eli Hall, and this video is about the Baja Fairy Duster. Are you looking for a great hardy shrub that's really able to take frost and blooms these pretty red flowers? This is the perfect video for you. Let me show you what's behind me here, the Baja Fairy Duster shrub. So the Fairy Duster is a great shrub that'll get about, as you can see, these are about 4 feet tall, but they'll get up to 6 feet tall if you allow them. These have been hedged, and you can see the pretty red flower that grows on them. They're kind of cool. They handle the frost really well, so in the wintertime, they really stay green all year. They're a dark green leafy shrub, and they're thornless. As you see here, they use these shrubs to block some cages so they can be shaped into a great barrier so that you're not looking at something that's maybe bothering you in your yard. And they're pretty dense shrub. If you let them get more natural growing, they'll get a little more airy, but if you hedge them more like this, they'll thicken up. Now they bloom throughout the spring and the summer with those pretty blooms, and they grow best in full sun, but partial shade is okay. These shrubs also require more water to flourish in the summertime, and they do not like soggy soil at all. They don't do well when it's too light of water, like in a drought condition, but they are a desert plant and do well here if watered properly. And they are not on the unsafe for pets list, so this is a great shrub for your backyard. And because they're low litter, they're great around pools so that you're not gonna have that mess in your pool. They also attract hummingbirds and butterflies, which is really awesome. And here's an example of what they look like in a 5-gallon shrub when you pick them up. I'm over here at Whitfield Nursery off of Glendale, so you can see what they start off with as far as their size before they really grow and get mature. Once again, this is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. If you have any other questions, please contact us online at azlawns.com. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping, and check out our Instagram and Twitter pages at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.